Hi, my name is Tiago Duarte and welcome to another video tutorial here at DailyBeats. In today's video, I'm going to continue the EDM from start to finish series, and this is series 5. And in the last episode, I was just having some fun and I did a nice EDM track. And today I'm just going to continue that track and see where we can take this track or to where we can take this track. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe and activate the notifications so that you know when I upload new videos. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below and consider supporting this channel by buying one of the products at DailyBeats.pt or become a premium member and you will have access to the complete videos and more videos. You will be able to download the sample packs and project files, and you will be able also to access the exclusive Q&A sessions where I get all of your questions and I answer them in a video. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and move to FL Studio. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I really like it. And today I think I'm going to separate everything and start creating an arrangement. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what we have here. So here we have everything. Let's see what this is. This is the bass. This is the kick. What should I call this? This will be strong. Let's call it bass 2. Okay, and I think it's actually the name that I gave it here. Let's see, track 9, strings. And track 3 is hi-hats. This should be snare. What is this? 10 bells and 11 should be brass. Okay, so now we can separate everything, split by channel, and if we go now here, we will be able to have everything that we want. I don't think I'm using this one. No, I'm not, so I'm just going to delete it. Okay, so let's keep the lead synth here, the keys, and something like that. Okay, so now the first thing to do is start making an intro for this track. And I think I'm going to start something like this. And this will be like the first drop. So let's see something like that. So this will be 2 minutes for the first drop. Yeah, maybe that's okay. And I don't want to give everything away right away for the main part. So let's see how can we make this a little bit more interesting. Okay, like that. I think I like that. And let's automate here the volume of this. So let's go to a new empty track. I think this one should be empty. Yeah. Okay, and let's start. Let's put actually this before everything, because this will be the main effects. And let's actually do, oops, not like that. Let's go to step mode and let's put it here and let's remove it here for this last kick. Maybe I will not have the strings here. Let me see if this sounds nice. And maybe let's introduce this one. And let's have the strings of the hi-hats. Okay, and now let's go to the breakdown. Okay, something doesn't sound very nice. Is this? That's strange. This one was sounding quite nice with but now it doesn't. Let's see if I can do something here. Maybe we can fade in. Okay, I think that sounds nice. And maybe we can even put this last bass here, this last note, and let's keep it like that just in case. Let's go to step and let's keep just this last note with a last kick. Okay, yeah, actually without the kick sounds better. All right, so this I think it's in a nice place. The next part, what can I do here? First, so one first thing that I want to do is let's go here, bar mode. I want to add here some kind of actually, let's go this to the main effects or the main. Let's see. Yeah, let's go here, add some Kramer tape stereo. Let me see how does this sound with the Kramer stereo. Let's go mastering. Okay, so this track needs a lot of mixing, but I think it's in a nice place. So let me listen again to this transition, which I think is quite nice. And one thing that I want to do when I do mixing is make the strings stand out, because I want the strings to be the main thing in the drop. Yeah, but this transition sounds really nice, and this brass sounds really cool also. And I can actually do some kind of fade in here of the strings. So let's go automate volume and let's do some kind of fade in like that. sounds nice. So we are going from this. And now here we will start adding more elements to start bringing the energy up. Maybe a lot of snares, some white noise, and some kind of filters. Okay, people, I think I will stop here. And as you can see, the track is getting in really good shape, and I really enjoy the way the track is set up right now, and it's sounding really nice. I like the transitions. I like also the break, even without any transition elements, just the raw transitions. It sounds nice. And what I'm going to do next is in the next video I will just work on the transitions, and I will try to add some effects to make the transitions stand out a little bit better and be more smooth between them. The intro, I like it, it's simple, but I think it's effective. So if you have any recommendations, just leave a comment below of stuff that I can do, and or stuff that I should do to make the track a little bit better. And that's it. If you are new here to the channel, consider subscribe and activate notifications so that you know when I upload new videos. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Also consider supporting this channel by buying one of the products at DailyBeatsVI or become a premium member, and you'll have access to the full video of these tutorials and also to the previous videos of all the tutorials that I've done in the past and also in the future. So you will have access to the videos, sample packs, and also access to the Q&A sessions. So that's it. My name is Thiago. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.